Little Spode Italian saucers, orphan saucers. I lost their teacup somewhere along the way. Now, we're going to list these in various sizes over the coming weeks, so do bear in mind that these come in a range of sizes. The early ones, and these are date stamp 1934, are 5.5 inch diameter, but we've got them in 5 and 5/8 and 5 and 3/4 inch diameters from later period production. So if you are particular and are matching breakages, then do pay particular attention to the diameters. Nice period Copeland Spode. Both we've got a combination of factory press marks and impress marks here with Copeland with the crown, and also the date marks on here, 1934. It looks like one there for January 34. This one, again, a little bit of crackle on the glaze here. No impress marks on here, but I would put money on the fact that these are 1920s or 1930s. Probably that one's a little older than this one. In very nice condition, 5.5 inch Copeland Spode Italian blue and white period replacement saucers. Follow the description link below from YouTube, and it will take you directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for these. If you're looking for the 5 and 5/8 or 5.75 inch, we've also got those, but they will be on a different listing. Just search our website for Copeland Spode Italian saucer. Thanks for watching.